Hey, hello all. Today video will see about Snowflake introduction and futures. Snowflake, as I told my previous video, it is a software as a services. Snowflake as a cloud data warehouse uh, introduction we'll see. It can build on the top of any cloud as a Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. So Snowflake will support all these three cloud platforms. As I mentioned, yes, AAS, it is software as a services. There is a no infrastructure, it is not required. It is a services we can use it. SaaS is not required and any of the software installation. Ongoing maintenance and management and upgrade and tuning everything will be handled by the Snowflake itself. We no need to worry about that software or maintenance or management anything. Snowflake is a single platform for the data warehouse, data loading, data engineering, app development, and secure and share in a real-time data. To maintain the real traditional database or warehouse, we need the resources like database, hard disk, DBA, database administration, network resources, file storage, and etc. The above challenges are reduced while using the Snowflake as a services. For example, if we are using any traditional warehouse like Oracle database, we need to manage any data. We need a external device as a hard disk. If it is a physical machine, means it is required a hard disk. DBA admin, it is required network resources and file storage. There is a extra things it is required. But Snowflake, it is a software or services. Though above challenges, it is reduced. Since Snowflake will manage all things which are listed above. So next slide we can discuss about the futures. So Snowflake features great performance and scalability and zero management, convenient pricing, virtual compute warehouse. So compute node, everything we are using from the dependent our cloud platform, either it is a AWS or Azure or GCP. Recover Snowflake object using unwrap. So if unfortunately if we are deleting any table using this unwrap command, we can record the table. So object cloning, we can clone the table database schema, anything. We can handle the semi-structured data, Snowflake itself. Continuous data protection using the time traveler option. CDC, change data capture using the stream and the task option is available. Secure data sharing within Snowflake Cloud account and Snowflake Snowpipe option is available. So whenever there is a continuous load happen between either it is a Amazon S3 bucket, that time we are going to create a Snowpipe. So upcoming video we can see more. Thank you. Bye.